Hello everyone, I, Dr. Arun Bhatia, Faculty of MBA Department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today, I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic Dimensions and Challenges of Social Responsibility. As you all know that social responsibility is the assumed obligation of business to society. Being socially responsible means to maximize the positive effects and minimize the negative effects on society, whether they are the customers, owners, employees, community, suppliers and the government. Basically, there are four kinds of social responsibility which are legal, ethical, economic and philanthropic. Legal dimensions of CSR relates to compliance with laws and regulations established by the authorities which set standards for responsible behavior, the codification of what society thinks is right or wrong. Legal regulation of businesses leadership are made because the society, including consumers, interest groups, competitors, legislators cannot be confident that business do what is right in a particular field such as consumers or environment protection. This lack of confidence is the strength of legal size. Many ethical and economic issues go to court or legislative debates. In other words, the laws set rules for responsible businesses activities. They can be divided into laws that regulate competition, consumer protection laws, environmental laws and laws that promote safety and fairness. Ethical dimensions of CSR refers to behaviors and activities that are permitted or prohibited by organization, members, community, society, even if they are not codified by law. Social responsibility cannot be just a response to problems when they arise. Only if the firm includes ethical concerns since its foundation and includes ethics in businesses, strategy, social responsibility as a concept is integrated into daily decision making. Economic dimensions of CSR refers to how resources for the production of goods and services are distributed within the social system. Social responsibility in relation to the economy encompasses many aspects of how firm in terms of competition, consumers, employees, community and environment affect the economy. For example, the economy is affected by the economic power of companies in relation to resources and supply of products control. Philanthropic dimensions of CSR refers to companies contributing to the local community or society. It offers four benefits to society. First, the philanthropic dimension improves quality of life. It helps the community to make there an area where customers want to do business and employees want to raise their children. Second, reduce the size of government involvement in charity offering help to people with legitimate needs. Third, increase the staff leadership ability. Fourthly, the philanthropic dimension builds the staff morale principles. Employees who are volunteering have generally better options about themselves, their company and community. So, I hope you understand the topic dimensions and challenges of social responsibility. Thank you very much.